Hello everyone and welcome to the video where we're going to be talking about Smartsheet app from our Workflow app. Smartsheet is a great tool that's going to help you automate different actions directly from your Workflow app into your Smartsheet account. As you can see, we have different actions here like update simple folder, search simple folder, or create parent folder, delete workspace, update workspace, search workspace by name, create workspace. So how do we set this tool up? First and foremost, make sure you're connected on your GHL Plugins account. And if you're a new member here, by the way, welcome to GHL Plugins. Make sure your agency or sub accounts linked to your GHL Plugins account. So how do you go about it? You make sure you come here, link account, and you come down here, link agency. So you open a new window at Marketplace where you're going to be asked to select the appropriate agency or the appropriate sub account that you want to link to your JJ Plugins account. And also, you're going to be asked to allow access to other sub accounts for your agency and enable automatic future installation for our tools to continue working with the existing sub accounts as well as future ones. Once you're done, you automatically send it back to JJ Plugins. This time to select the appropriate workflow app in order to install it and get it connected. So how do you go about it? Come here at workflow apps. As you can see, we have available apps and install apps. Like I said, if this is your first experience, of course the application is going to be here at available apps. But since the application is already installed here, we just have to come here, install apps, and type Smartsheet. There you go. We have Smartsheet. So how do we install Smartsheet? We just go on setup. We want to install Smartsheet in the agency or the particular sub account. So it's the same process. You open in a new window on Marketplace. You still have to select the agency or the particular sub account where you want the tool to be installed. We also recommend you to select the agency. Once it's done, you come back here in order to copy the custom menu link. This is a one-time action actually. If this is your first time, of course, you have to copy the custom menu link. But after that, for the apps that you're going to have to install, you won't have to copy the custom menu link. So you make sure you copy the custom menu link and you switch to your agency level. You come down here at settings, custom menu link. You come here at create new. Perfect. So here you just have to set the appropriate icon, right, for your custom menu link. You have different icons here. Afterwards, you type a particular name, how you want to name your custom menu. We decided to name our custom menu in my apps. So you guys can, for example, choose my application. Here you just have to paste the custom menu link you copy from GHL plugin. Afterwards, you just have to check some preferences and when you're done, save. And it's okay. This time you switch to your sub account. Let's switch to the sub account and look for the custom menu link, the name that we choose for our custom menu link. So we decided to call our custom menu link my apps. Perfect. Here we want to get the tool to be connected to our Smartsheet account. So same process like in JJ plugins, we have apps available and connected apps. Since it's already connected here, we just have to go at connect apps and go Smartsheet. There you go. We have Smartsheet, which is already connected here. Now, the next step is to get the tool to be connected to our Smartsheet account. So how do we go about it? Make sure you copy this redirect because you're going to use it. So make sure it's copied. Okay. Of course, you have to enter some API keys here, like the client ID and the client secret. How do we get all those API keys? We just have to switch to our Smartsheet account. You come here on your account. There you go. And tools dedicated to developers. As you can see, we already have some API key created here, but let me show you how to do it. You just have to come here to create a new application, right? And you type a name, description, all this kind of stuff. Let's, for example, create one. Let's say my API key, okay? It's about project management. And we paste the redirect URL that we just copied. Support for the application. What can we see here? Contact, let's, for example, type a contact here by default. Same redirect URL here. Make sure we check here. You can even download a logo here for the app. It's okay. And you save. You have the application client ID, which is generated automatically. You just have to copy and go back to your sub account and paste it. Same for the client secret. Let's go back there and copy the client secret. You paste it and we submit. Now let's scroll down at allow. Bingo. We just connected our app to our Smartsheet account. This is very amazing, guys. You guys are able to start testing actions directly from your workflow apps so that you can have the executing actions inside your Smartsheet account. Guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out, leave some comments, and welcome to GHL Plugins.